After 18 years in IT, I realized something painful. I had everything I once dreamed of: a stable job, big salary, foreign trip, yet every Monday felt heavier. And just when I thought I would figure it out, AI arrived and changed everything, but not the way you think. This is not a story about technology replacing job. It's about why your soul feels replaced. Hi, I am Sunil Mishra, a former solution architect, digital Dharma coach. I help professionals like you bridge the gap between technology and purpose so that your career doesn't just grow, it's awaken. In this video, I am going to share the real reason why so many IT professionals feels empty despite success, how AI is accelerating that emptiness, not just economically but emotionally, and the three powerful shifts that helped me rebuild my career with clarity, confidence, and peace. If you have ever wondered why do I feel stuck despite doing everything right, this talk is for you. So let me honest. Most IT professionals today are not suffering from lack of success. They are suffering from success without satisfaction. According to Gallup, over 68% of professionals feel disengaged at work. In tech, it is even worse. 4 out of 5 mid-career engineers report burnout, and 60% say they feel stuck in role that doesn't excite them. You have built apps, systems, automation for others, but somewhere along the way, you forget to build yourself. Your career graph went up, but your energy graph went down. You become efficient but not fulfilled. And deep inside you ask, is this all there is? I have been, I know that silence part, the one you can't talk about on LinkedIn. I still remember that evening, sitting in a glass cabin, finishing yet another project milestone. Everyone was celebrating. I was supposed to feel proud, but instead I felt empty. 18 years in IT, I had worked on cloud mobile AI prototypes. Yet I realized I was building systems that didn't align with my soul system. Then came the wave of AI automation. Suddenly, roles were emerging and teams thinking, and words like restructuring become part of weekly meeting. For the first time, I was not afraid of losing my job. I was afraid of losing my meaning. And that was my awakening moment. And the night I asked myself, if AI can replace what I do, what is the left of who I am? The question led me on deep inner search through meditation, spirituality, and modern AI tools until I discovered something powerful. It's not AI replacing human, it's human forgetting their dharma. That realization gave birth to my movement, Digital Dharma Academy, a bridge between tech mastery and inner mastery. So let's understand this logically. AI is not your enemy, it's a mirror. It's a mirror what you have been doing unconsciously for decades. Working like machines, measuring success in code line, hours bill, and appraisal rating. The problem is not artificial intelligence, it is absence of inner intelligence. When your work loses meaning, even small automation feels threatening. But when your work aligns with your dharma, AI becomes your ally. See, the AI revolution is not just technological, it's spiritual evolution in disguise. It's forcing us to upgrade not just our skill, but our state of being. So, how do you realign? The three shifts that saved my career. Shift 1, from job identity to Dharma identity. Shift 2, from fear of AI to collaboration with AI. And shift 3, from productivity to conscious progress. So we understand shift one by one. So, what is shift one, from job identity to Dharma identity? Stop defining yourself by your title or tools. You are not a developer, analyst, or manager. You are a creator of value. Reconnect with why you started in tech, what excited your curiosity, what impact do you want to make, and that's your Dharma. Shift 2, from fear of AI to collaboration with AI. Learn to co create with AI, not compete with it. Use tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Notion AI to amplify your creativity, not replace it. When your purpose guided your prompts, AI become your assistant, not your treats. Shift 3, from productivity to conscious progress. You don't need to do more, you need to do what matters more. Redesign your daily system, your rituals, your mindset, your learning rhythm. That's how you move from survival to significance. Once I made these three shifts, I didn't just grow my career, I found peace. Today, I wake up with clarity, work with joy, and teach others how to blend tech plus dharma for true freedom. In part 2, I will reveal the 5 skills AI can never replace. Skills that make you future proof, purpose aligned, and deeply fulfilled. If you found this video valuable, hit subscribe and drop a comment with one word, awaken. Because your digital career is not ending, it's just awakening. I am Sunil Mishra, and this is your reminder. Code your purpose, elevate your soul. And one more thing, listen your inner voice.